Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the Amega. You enter the Forex Broker section, select the Amega Broker, and then click on Register on the website. You enter the Amega website, click on the Sign Up section, and then in the Registration section, you select your country, first name, last name, email address, and password. I recommend using between 8 to 32 characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters, as well as numbers. After selecting a password and entering the information, you click on Create Account, and then you log into your account. Friends, please note that your account must be verified via email. For this, you click on this option, and then to verify your email, click on Verify Email in this section. You will go to Amega. Please verify your email. And in this section, click on Verify Email. Your account has been verified via email, and friends, to confirm your account in the second step, you need to answer some questions. For this, click on Continue. In the first section of questions, you will answer questions about your employment status, such as what job you have, what income you earn, and so on. Then, if you are a resident of the United States, click Yes for tax purposes, and if not, click No. If you want to register with an ID card, click Yes, and if you don't, click No. If you are involved in political activities, you will answer in this section, and after entering the information in the first section, click on Continue. In the second stage of the questions, you will enter your experience and knowledge, and then click on Continue. Again. In the third stage, you will enter your purpose for registering on the Amega website, and after entering the information, click on Continue again. Friends, your account has been created and verified in 2 stages. However, to fully use the Amega website, you need to upload documents such as an ID card, passport, etc. Good luck.